I'm from Cosmos. Myself, I'm Beena. I look after the sales, and we would like to really just right now draw attention on the TeamTOS show 2025. And I would like to share my experience about the Taiwan as an industry for a machine tool industry. We have been associated with Taiwan machine tool industry for last 32 years. And in this 32 years, we have seen Taiwan industry grow from one stage to other stage where really a global demands they are able to cater very, very well. And we have, in this journey of our 32 years, Cosmos has got a lot of new technologies, lot of new advantages from Taiwanese, our partners and business associates. We have more than 5 companies technology partnership from Taiwan, and that kind of advanced technology which are globally accepted by the world. We are fortunate to get it in India, and we would like to really take it further for the another Indian industries to give the latest technologies which are more the internationally accepted technologies from Taiwan. So like if I name a few, 20 years before, we were the first company to do a joint venture company with the Taiwanese company called Golden Sun, which is now known as a GSA Plus. And we have a joint venture company in India for 20 years producing the rotary tables and the turrets, which are our Indian industry's widely used product. And that high technology products are helping our Indian industry to make their end product more reliable. Then we have even a joint venture with the UG, who is a world-class VTL manufacturer. We have a joint venture in India to produce up to 1 meter size of the turning dia VTLs. And the entire technology is transferred from Taiwan to India. Similarly, we have a joint venture and the technology tie-up with the double column machines. So all the technology is already now transferred to India, and all the double columns what we produce are as per the Taiwanese design, which is like an international design, which is accepted worldwide. Then even we have a drill tap centers, which are also a technology tie-up with the Akira Siki company. And we would like to really give the world-proven technologies to the mobile industries, to the semicon industries, to the aluminium and the die-cast machining industries where a fast machining is required. We have a wonderful solutions for that. And we also have many other technology partners from Taiwan for the machine tool attachments, various kind of accessories what we normally need in our normal machine tools. We have that kind of a technology access from Taiwan, and because of this kind of a wide technological access from Taiwan industry, we are able to strengthen our machine tool manufacturing at India and give nearly a world-class machines or international accepted standard machines to Indian customers and Indian industry. And that's how it has made us also a well-accepted brand for the US market and for the European market. Right now, Cosmos is the largest exporter of India to USA and Europe. So this is because of the Taiwanese industries, the way they supports our association, long association with them. We have so long relationships with the Taiwan machine tool industry, key people. We have seen in our eyes growing them like a 30 plus years. I can see that maybe the same thing is going to be, the repeat history is going to happen in India very soon, because Indian industry is also growing very fast and the Indian products qualities are improving day by day, and which is really going to be the key point. And for that, even a contribution of all the key components from Taiwan is helping Indian industry to make a more reliable product. And that's how I feel that a Taiwan industry has really a good collaboration with the Indian industry and good partnerships, which is our philosophy, partner in progress, which we always do that. So with this, I wish everybody a good luck and prosperity in Taiwan and back home in India. Good luck.